The Leopard King who protects his sovereignty with his fearful name. Krotweamansa Osagyeifuo Amoatia Ofori Panin, Asona Piesie. Okyenhene is a title given to the paramount chief of the Akyem Abuakwa Traditional Area in the eastern region. He is the highest authority in the traditional hierarchy of the Akyem Abuakwa State, and is responsible for the spiritual, cultural, and social well-being of the people. The Ofori Panin Fee, also known as the Akyem Abuakwa State Palace, is the royal palace and seat of government for the Akyem Abuakwa Traditional Area in Ghana, headed by the Okyenhene, Osagyeifuo Amoatia Ofori Panin. Located in Kyebi, the palace serves as a historical and cultural landmark, housing ancient artifacts, archival records, and a hall of justice. It's a significant site for research on West African history and Akan culture. The Akyem Abuakwa State was established in the 17th century with Kyebi as its capital. It was founded in 1640 by Okyenhene Ofori Panin Foduo, who is known as the first Okyenhene or king of the state. At the time, the Okyenhene was a great warrior and leader who united various Akan clans to form the Akyem Abuakwa kingdom. Since then, the state has grown and evolved with a rich history and cultural heritage that continues to thrive today. So, Akyem Abuakwa is actually one of three Akyem states which are commonly known as Akyem. These are three independent states all located in the eastern region, and they share a common language, culture, customs, and, a rich historical background. The Abuakwa state stands out as the largest among the three, both in terms of land size, population, and natural resources. Next comes Akyem Kotoku, and then Akyem Bosomi, which is the third and smallest of them all. So, the popular ritual of the Akyem Abuakwa people is the Owum. Owum, or sometimes called Ohunumu, actually means someone who predicts the future of something or, has insight into a future situation. Every year, around June or July, the chiefs perform a divination ritual inside the river Baram at Bunzo to determine what the ancestors have in store for them in the coming year, or to, have an earlier revelation about an incident before it happens. If it turns out to be a good omen, they welcome it, but if it is a bad omen, the chiefs perform rituals to, sort of, abort it. This annual divination practice, called Ohunumu, which is now commonly pronounced as Owum, is the yearly festival that's used to commune with the ancestors and to usher in the new yam. The Owum practice, or festival, actually originated from Tafohini Nana Okuruni Banin and Chief Priest Okomfo Asare, and that was over 250 years ago. Now, when I say
Chairman, leave your comment or your response in the comment section.
History is actually closer than you think. I know you're yearning for more. So, don't forget to click the subscribe button like this video, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our exciting content. Your support, honestly, means the world to us. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest in entertainment news.